Earlier today in Greene County, there was another siren test at U.S. Nitrogen, a system that was installed after 2 leaks happened at the nitric acid plant last year. Today's tests come after residents nearby said they couldn't hear the sirens. Now, the sirens are supposed to be heard within a 2-mile radius from the plant. Robbie Helton, a safety and administrative services manager with U.S. Nitrogen, told us over the phone this is part of an ongoing monthly test of the system.
Now we're going to have 2 separate sirens, one on each end of our proper perimeter. They're going to be activated simultaneously. That way we're taking a little more into account some elevation concerns to make sure, the ridge line, the sound gets out above tree lines and things of that nature.
Also today, when we were on scene, we did speak to neighbors. Some of them said this is the very first time the siren was actually audible.
And the first time, it was faint, so faint I couldn't even tell that there was anything going on. Second time, it sounded like a cow mooing, maybe from my field. And then this time I could hear it inside the house.
U.S. Nitrogen officials say even more sirens will be installed on each end of the property, and those new sirens are expected to be installed next week.